This is going to be a video tutorial on how to add a picture background in Google Slides. I'm going to jump over to Google Slides here, where you see I have an example presentation opened up here. Say that I wanted to add a picture background to this slide right here. The way to do that, go up to the Insert tab, select it, go down to where it says Image, and then over to where it says Upload from Computer. I'm going to select that. Now I will find the image on my computer that I want to use. I want to use this one here. I'll select it and I'll click on Open. And then from here you can adjust your image however you want to. You can move your image around. Say I want this to cover my entire slide here. I'm going to adjust it by pulling out from the sides. You can pull out from the sides. You could pull down from the corner. I want it just about like so. As you can see, my image is in front of my text, but I want my image behind my text. I want to be able to see my text. The way you do that is right click on your image, go down to where it says Order, and then across to where it says Send to Back. Select that. And there we have it. Now I can alter my text. And I can still access my image by clicking on the outer part. But that is how you add a background picture in Google Slides. Thanks for watching.